Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to redact your PDF files. And this is a nice option if you want to remove sensitive information or information that is not necessary from a PDF file. I'm using the website ilovepdf.com, and this is a great website to do everything around PDFs. But right now if you click here on Redact PDF and we do select PDF, and then we do downloads, and then we upload this PDF from here, you will see here the PDF. Now, let's say this is very sensitive content. I don't want to do this. Then we select this piece. And then now we can also select this piece just right here. And let's say we do this right there. So now we have everything with text on page 1, page 2. And this is what I want to redact. So right now we click here on Redact, download file. And we click here on the file, and right now if you can see, everything is black and we redacted the information that was sensitive in this PDF file. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.